Each plant has an entire dimension with an entire population of spirits that exist within that dimension. And so it's possible when you diet plants, you get to know one of, infinite numbers of these spirits of these plants within that dimension. So it's a little bit like an equivalent of if somebody dieted, whatever, humanity, you would open up the doors. If a plant dieted humanity, you would open up the doors to humanity, and you could get to know either you or I or Rick Doblin or whoever it is, and we'd all have slightly different characters. And so when we think about it like that, then there's actually infinite dimensions, and each plant contains its own dimension with an almost infinite number of species. Like you can take small amounts of anything and open up that dimension. And this is kind of the Shipibo understanding of animism, but it takes animism slightly further.
Eat them?
No, you just like put the rock into water, basically like marinate like a rock like in water, and then you just drink this kind of rock water.
How long do you have to do it?
How long do you leave it soaking?
Yeah, the diet. So you said you have to isolate and don't eat, don't drink, except for whatever it is that you're dieting on.
Yeah. So, I mean, the shortest time really for the first diet is 2 weeks.
2 weeks of no food and no water.
So you would normally try and avoid having water for like 3 days, and then no food for as long as you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you've done this?
Yeah, many times. Yeah. It's like that's like the learning. That's how you do it. That's the training.
But after 3 days, you can drink water.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like strict as in it has to be this amount of time. So you form an agreement, you make a contract with that spirit, with that being. So you agree with that spirit on how long it's going to be. So, if you're feeling particularly strong, you can say, I'm not going to eat for 2 weeks. But if you're not feeling particularly strong, you can say, I'm not going to eat for 3 days. It's all about your conscious communication, your conscious agreements with that spirit.
And you have done this with certain plants?
Yeah.
And rocks?
No, only plants. I haven't quite got to the rocks yet.
And how was it for you?
Yeah, I mean...
So you communicated with the spirit of that plant, specific plant?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of it is extremely personal and extremely sacred. So, I have to be careful with, kind of how much I share about that. But yeah, for sure, it's the most beautiful and magical thing.
So is it like an ayahuasca experience or a mushroom experience?
No. It's more like, it's like starting a relationship. It's like starting a relationship. I mean, you literally are starting a relationship. So you get to know someone or something that just isn't in this world, that isn't in this dimension. It's really, really hard to describe because it's outside of our paradigm or understanding in the West. But it's beautiful. You get to know the spirit of this plant, and it can communicate with you in many different ways, either in ayahuasca ceremonies, either in dreams,